What's going on, guys? It's Sunday night, one day before the market opens. Pretty excited for tomorrow, but the futures are down. S&P, Dow, Nasdaq, we're all looking down just by a little. So it doesn't mean that the market's going to open red. It could open green. We'll see, but so far right now we're looking at maybe a flat or a down opening. We will have to see in the morning. I just wanted to shed some light on the plays that I'm going to rock for next week. First off, AMD. I got assigned 300 shares a few weeks ago. Last week, I wrote 3 contracts for $1.11 premium, so which dropped my average cost down to 120, like 46. So that's where I'm at right now, 120.46 for my cost basis. I'm going to write another covered call with 3 contracts on my 300 AMD shares. So this is what I'm looking at right now, guys. Sell call. I'm going to do a 1 week out just so I can have a little more control. So I'm going to go weekly, expiring January 3rd. And depending on where AMD opens up, right now it's currently up 0.17% overnight. So we're looking at probably a green opening on this. So we'll go back here, sell call. Price right now is at 125.38. I'm looking at a 130 or a 129. I'm kind of leaning towards 130, an 82% chance that my shares don't get called away, because I do want to hold AMD long term and get premium to lower my cost basis. Right now the premium is only 73 that it's showing. Hopefully AMD kind of opens up green and moving towards the upside. This premium will be a lot better. If AMD's down in the morning, I might actually wait for a green day to write a covered call, because during green days, covered calls, you're going to make more premium. But I might write a 129 too, because the premium is a little better, and you still have around a 78% chance of profit, especially if the stock is down. It's going to be even higher at that point. But my strategy with AMD is to try to not get my shares called away. If they do get called away, I'll just do the wheel strategy. But I'd rather them not get called away, just do premium with a low delta and just lower my cost basis overall. So, yep, AMD, I got 37K, 600 invested into it. Average cost is 120.46, or 45 to be exact. 300 shares, and it's 120.45 because of the premium that I got last week when I wrote my covered call. I'm also in 4 other positions, all cash secured puts. I sold all these contracts last Friday, and they all expire on 1/3/25, which is next Friday. So coming up pretty soon. I have IONQ. So I might just buy to close this tomorrow or the next day, because I'm already up 74%. The current premium that they're saying is $10, but I've seen this fluctuate so much. I've seen it drop down to $1, $2. I might just buy to close and open up something else and, get more premium in a different company. Because look at this, guys. I just bought this like on Friday. Current price is basically $45. And look at this. Keep scrolling. I have 4 contracts at $30 with a 96% chance of profit. And when I wrote this contract on Friday, I got almost $40 a contract. I mean, that's huge. So this is easy money right here. Like I said, 96% chance of profit. And that was on Friday, so it's probably going to be even higher on Monday. So hopefully I can just buy to close this. So if I wanted to buy to close this position, I would go to view all options. I would go to buy put January 3rd. I would scroll all the way down to where my strike price is. It's right here. I would click it. So I go 4 contracts. And then if this was maybe $2, I can go 0.02. It would cost me $8 to close, because 4 times $2 is 8. So, and then Robinhood charges a little extra for their wallets. But anyway, I would just buy to close, and then I'd get all my capital back, and I can enter a new position. So I might do that. We'll see. If I do, I'll make a video on it. Maybe do it live so you guys can see, and then I'll get into another company. Other company I'm holding is Mara, MicroStrategies, and RIOT. These are all cash secured puts that I'm holding. These are all Bitcoin mining companies or Bitcoin related. I got a 16.5 put right here. Current price is 18.19. I really do not want to get assigned tomorrow, so I got a pretty big like wiggle room between the share price. But on Friday, this did drop 5%. Right here, total return is just flat. So as long as this doesn't like open up super negative on Monday, total return will be up because of the time decay. When I did buy this, Bitcoin dropped a little more, and usually the mining companies or Bitcoin companies will follow Bitcoin price action. So, if Bitcoin does crash or does fall hard, these three companies that I'm in will also follow. MicroStrategy is a great company to sell cash secured puts on, has nice volatility, usually good premiums. Current price is $326, and I have a $255 strike price for next Friday. I opened this up last Friday, and look at, we're already up $213, 66%. So I was already up huge from the morning to close last Friday. Yeah, I think this one's easy money. I got one contract. I got an average credit of 320, and current price is 107. So as long as I think the current administration or the new administration that's coming in is bullish on cryptocurrency, bullish on Bitcoin, I'll probably keep playing this company like weekly with cash secured puts because it's a solid company and they offer a good premium. It is kind of expensive, so you need some capital to be able to write those one contract. You need to be able to purchase 100 shares. Next, I have RIOT. It's another Bitcoin mining company. We're up 22%. Wrote it Friday as well. What's the current price? 10.83, and I have a 9.5 strike. So 12 contracts. I got an average credit of $9, and current price is $7. So we should be okay on this as well. But I also do not want to own RIOT. So let's say it does fall into the money or very close to my strike price in the next couple of days, I probably will buy to close. Usually you'll see people say don't ever do a cash secured put on a company that you do not want to own. So I understand that, but I'm also finding, decently solid companies. I'm doing weekly cash secured puts. So it's not like I have a whole month of uncertainty. Like I can really get in and exit during a week and not too much changes in that week time. And I'm going for extremely low deltas. Like when I bought Mara, IONQ, MicroStrategy, RIOT, I'm getting a 0.2 or 0.15 delta, you guys. I'm going super out of the money. Like I'm going super out of the money. The chances are 85% chance, over 80% chance of profit. Like my strategy is to not get shares assigned to me, collect a weekly premium. Like AMD, for instance, I didn't mind getting assigned because it was already at a 52-week low, and I'm bullish on AMD going into 2025. These are a little more speculative, a little more, let's say, risque, but I feel comfortable trading cash secured puts, especially because we are currently very bullish on cryptocurrency, especially moving into 2025 with the new administration. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, let me know. This is my plays for next week. I'll update you if there's any changes. All right, guys, take care. Good luck tomorrow. Peace.